kahit winter, malamig, mainit pa rin yung food. Ano lang, lalagyan mo lang ng tubig dyan. And then, pupunasan na rin yun. Mainit na daw. Asa na ano niya? Oh. Yay! Meron ng bola ng ating anak. Ready for school. Oh, rubber. Okay. Oh, he's ready. The rubber is in. Hindi daw mag-leak. Oh, lunchbox. And then may instruction manual pa. Detail. I'm excited for